What's up, guys? Another edition of Bachelor Outdoors, back with another video, and it is actually snowing today. Our Yak Mob Sean today. We about to get out here and get it. We got some nice little wintry mix out here on the island today, so we're gonna get out here. I gotta get to third week of my consolidation round. I didn't make it to the second round or third round, but I am in the third round, but I just didn't make it to the actual third round of the bracket. So I'm in consolidation right now, so I'm going against everybody else that didn't make it the second week. So with that being said, let's get it. Let's get in the water, see if we can get it some toast. It's kind of cold today, but I'm rolling big boy lures. I'm running the 2.5, nice DT6, nice Texas rig worm, and a nice kill net daddy. So let's get it, guys. All right, guys, so we in the water here on this cold day. 420 is actually today, so I decided to take my day and go fishing, get on the board here. Like I say, I'm still in the tournament, so I'm gonna see if I can get a nice big fish out here, see if something's still hitting. I got snow coming right at us, as you guys can see, and it is spring. This is Michigan, and this is what Michigan does. Still have wintry weather and springtime. Let's see if we can get out here y'all day, guys. So I'm gonna throw this DT6 around a little bit on Rapala. I haven't been really using too many Rapala crankbaits lately, or lures. So I kind of want to go back to them. They always work. Cause I'm a big Strike King fan. Love some Strike King. Let's see what DT6. Yeah, that's besides get weeds up. That's been growing. It's growing up in here. So this DT6 dives pretty deep. That's what it is. Not too bad. Just a little booger. Just a little booger. DT6. It's warming up back here. Just a little guy, another little guy. None of this gonna matter. What is the fish? What's the fish? I was waiting on a big one. So I'm ready to throw the big squirt bill 2.5 on them. Get them popping. My hands is like freezing. I'm gonna bear through it. Like I just dropped it on top of the fish. Right here. Fish. It's a nice one, this one. So here's a nicer fish. Yeah. It's a bigger bait. Gotta get different. Bigger sauce. decent, or something decent to get me on the board. Eat the mark. Citrus caramel, she probably eat that much, but. Cheese and a half. $14 bass, quite not gonna get it. I'm not satisfied with a quite $14 bass, but I'm gonna take a picture of them. I'll get something bigger than that. That's bigger since day so far though. Off completely. Oh man, that sucks. All right. First cast with the stack of net. I get a nice one on here. This might be a measurable fish here. Decent. Decent. I might not measure them though. That looks decent. Inches, just 14. Let's throw it back. Need something a little bit bigger, guys. A bit bigger fish here. Using like I say, two fresh fish, some custom baits. Man, I was beating all those smallmouth with in my last video with this bait here. And I swear, man, I haven't had any since. Man, first cast with them, caught a decent one. Still not, ooh, that was another hit. Oh my God. These guys are going nuts over this already. That was another big hit. That one felt bigger. That's a hit right there. Fish on. That's a runner here. Oh, guys, a runner. Come here. Nicer fish. Still small though, but I mean, chomping. nicer one. This is a nicer one. Oh, this is a nicer one, guys. This is what I need. Oh, actually, this is one I need right here. Oh, yeah. It's a nicer one. This is one I need. I said that when as soon as I was going to get down here. I needed that one. Oh, that's a nice one. I'll take a picture of him. That's a nice one right there. That's the fish we need. Nice fish, guys. Nice fish. He's bigger with it.
Alright, guys, so watch where I throw my bait. And watch me set my rod tip down and watch my rod on your top right corner. Watch the tip of my rod. Just keep an eye on the rod on your far right side.
Alright, guys, so I'm trying to measure this fish. Another one. Oh my God. One even bigger. Comes and grabs it. Oh my God. I don't know which one's bigger. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Unbelievable. Flutters it down, and he comes and eat it. Right up under the weeds. Unbelievable. You guys see that? Just see it. Two nice ones at the same size. Oh my God. It's unbelievable, guys. I got two fish at the same time here. I'm gonna release this first guy. I'm gonna measure this second guy. See if he's even bigger, which I think he is. Yep. Guys, so I got some power. Battery died after catching those two fish at the same time while I'm measuring the other one. The other one just hit. This is crazy. I was able to get a bigger one, the second one, so that was a good upgrade for me. I needed that. But like I said, it is snowing. We got this wintry mix here, like I say, and these fish are still eating. Y'all can see. They're still eating. Look at this. Look at this. It took me hard in the weeds. That was next cast. Next cast. Next cast, guys. I mean, he wasn't that much bigger, but I mean, these guys are chomping, dude. Chomping. And they getting big, a little bit thicker down here, too. A little bit thicker down here. Snow and everything. Just complete snow. Still getting them. I mean, they chomping, man. Chomping his neck. That's a nice one there. Nice chunky fish. Let's get some real big ones here. That was nice cast, guys. See if we can get another one. That was actually epic, guys. Caught 2 fish at once there. I got that actually on camera. That was actually cool. Hope you guys did get that. Here we go, bite. There's another fish chasing them. See, they schooling up down here. That's a little guy. They schooling up down here. I mean, they actually are schooling up. They are, schooling up. This guy was chasing, another fish was chasing him as this guy was trying to get him by me. This guy was chasing him. Nice little guy. Just want to stay in that little range here. Fish. Oh, this is fun, guys. This is fun. Kind of got the fish I needed. This is fun. I can do this all day long. I can do this all day long. And I got what the size I needed. I just need one bigger. I'm fine with 18-incher. For now. Right. This looks like a pike or something. This looks like a pike or something, guys. Yep, I know it was. Yeah, but nasty pike. Before you break me off. Come here, buddy. Definitely not my target species. But I get a good picture of you. This could tell how you hit. You was a pike. Alright guys, so we gonna kind of head our way back. It's been a good day, man. It's snowing real bad. My hands are starting to get cold, so it's kind of like time to, like, I guess, get up out of here. It's not really a good day to be trying to grind out. I got what I needed for the day, and as you guys can see, that was a double up, and I loved it, man. Bite. Tried to wrap me. Little guy tried to wrap me. So I'm trying to get out of here, and these guys still biting in the snow. Doesn't matter. Still biting. All right, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching another edition of Bass Player Outdoors. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. It's a good day. Oh man, the fish was biting. This is probably the last time you guys will probably see snow for a while on Bass Player Outdoors besides ice season. But it is April the 20th and it is snow, and it's been snowing bad. So Fish was eating today. I had a good day out. I upgraded, got some fish on the board for my consolidation bracket. So wish me luck this week. I got a few more days of the week to go. I got an actual tournament on Sunday, and I'm actually going to be recording that one. So actually be my first tourney that I will actually be recording. I didn't actually record my first one at this lake that I will be going to, but I will be recording this one. So make sure you guys are locked and loaded, man. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Like I say, if you know anybody that likes bass fishing, kayak bass fishing, refer them to my channel, man. I got some good content. I got more content, good content coming up this year. I got Elkona Pond I got coming up soon. That's my next big trip. So I'm gonna do Elkona Pond, and I'll let you guys know my schedule for the rest of the year. But it's gonna definitely be Elkona Pond will be the next big trip up north, and I'm gonna be doing parts of the ClairRiver. So till next time, guys, Bass Layer Outdoors. Make sure you guys liking this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and make sure you guys are dinging that notification bell for future videos. Peace. Have a good one, guys.